man who sneezed and then blew out his asshole. That's a real story, fellas.
This is what I fear whenever I sneeze, that like something's gonna pop out.
I coughed or sneezed or something happened where something was coming out of my face and my tongue blocked air in my mouth.
You almost died.
It felt like a pop, and I literally was like this
People
for like the day. I was scared.
people that like hold in their sneezes and do that.
Yeah,
You know
like-
that.
And I'm like, bro,
That you're gonna die. Your head is going to explode.